Hey everyone, it's that EAS guy back with another emergency alert system scenario. This is a work of fiction, any relations to real-life events are purely coincidental. This presentation includes loud sounds that may be found disturbing. This presentation also includes valid emergency alert system tones, and if misused, can put the offender in a lot of legal trouble. The content creator will not be held responsible for anyone's misuse of valid emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. Residents of Miami, lock all your doors and windows immediately. At 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, the protests to open all stores in Florida beginning 2 hours ago have turned into riots. These rioters are damaging life and property. Do not participate in the riots. I repeat, do not participate in the riots. Participating in the riots can endanger your life and you will be arrested. Approximately 3 people have died and 124 have been injured. Riot police have been called in to deal with the situation. If a rioter enters your home, use armed protection by all means. Please stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Florida State Police and the Florida National Guard. Residents of Florida, lock all of your doors and windows immediately. The riots starting in Miami have gotten deadlier and more cities are having riots. These cities include Orlando, Jacksonville, Tampa Bay, Naples, Tallahassee, St. Petersburg, and Fort Lauderdale. Some rioters have guns and began shooting at riot police. Do not participate in the riots. Doing so will put your life at risk, and you will be arrested. Casualties are in the thousands, and injuries are over 11,000. If a rioter enters your home, use lethal force to get rid of the rioter. Do not approach the rioters, as the rioters have intentions to kill. The military may have to be called in to deal with this situation. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. Evacuate Florida now. I repeat. Evacuate Florida now. This is not a test. I repeat. This is not a test. An immediate evacuation order has been put into effect for the entire state of Florida. A civil war is taking place in the state of Florida. The rioters belong to a communist group. The leader, Jackson Alexander, declared that Florida will become a new nation and take down capitalism once and for all. Jackson Alexander is 5'11", 201 pounds, a white male, long, brown hair, and brown eyes. Alexander's soldiers have been ordered to shoot anyone that poses a threat to him on sight. He has also said to block off all borders with the United States. The military has been called in to deal with this situation. To evacuate, call 9-1-1 and military personnel will take you to Georgia. The President will speak on all news stations shortly. Stay tuned to local news updates for more information as it becomes available.
This concludes another EA scenario made by that East guy. Follow me on Instagram at Washingtonian Map Games. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.